Let's get in the shop and build something.
Hey guys, didn't see you standing over there. Alan, and we're in the shop today. It's Saturday, what was this, February 3rd, something like that, 4th, whatever. Time's slipping away from me. Putting on a couple sponsor logo decals on the old drag truck. Got a little bit more to do on the tonneau cover. Unfortunately, I'm waiting on parts. Probably won't get here until later this evening from the way it's looking. So we're gonna get these decals put on. Gotta always take care of the sponsors. Some of these decals are just caught just because, and then other decals are there because if I ever win something, then they have a payout program of some sort. So that's why some of these are on here. A contingency, I think they call it. So we're working on that this morning. We'll get that wrapped up, and then we're going to get back over on a welding project. I've kind of started a while back and just kind of tabled it because I was needing to get Greenbrook done, get it ready to go so I can have it ready for the season opener, and it's just commanded my time. But we're about wrapped up here. So let's get to it. Okay. All right, guys, as you kind of saw in the time lapse that I took, just briefly, so what I did was I put the extensions on. If you recall, I believe from an earlier video I did, this fork frame was originally built for a Kioti CK25, and their loader arms are narrower than my little John Deere is. So I'm having to widen the frame out so that I can use the John Deere quick hitch or quick attach. So that's what we're working on. So what I've done is I've widened it out, and I'm getting ready to smooth the welds where I joined. Here, let me flip it around here and I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see here, I put my extensions on. I've already got this side pretty well smoothed out, ready for the plate. This side I just have to smooth where I welded because I just did that a little bit ago. And then we're going to take these plates, and they're basically going to mount between here and here, and then I'll weld that in, and then that will let me put on the John Deere quick hitch weldable deals right there, And I'll put a link to those on that I got them off Amazon. I'll put a link to those there down in the description. So that's what we're working on. I'll keep time lapse rolling and keep following along. Basically, what I'll have to do after I get those ground smooth is put the plates on and then get the notches cut here to notch out for this. Once that's done, then they're ready to weld on. So follow along. All right, that ought to about wrap it up for today. We'll do more on this little project here. All I got to do now is cut out around my feet, anti-tip feet, and then I can get that plate cut out, and then I can get that welded in, and then I just have to measure to put the quick attach pieces and get those welded in. Once that's done, this project will be done other than some paint. So it's close. But meanwhile, I just got notified that my Summit Racing order has been delivered. So that's pieces I've been waiting on to finish up the tonneau on the drag truck. So I'm going to go up and get that, and hopefully the Amazon order will be here soon. That's the stainless steel bolts that I need for bolting down the hinge, just to make the tonneau hingeable. And then we can get that project wrapped up and get the fuel cell done, and I think we're pretty well done with the drag truck at that point, until I can get my pennies saved up to buy the data logger system. So you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like it and subscribe. And don't forget, if you there's links down below to tools and things I use in my shop as I do these videos, in case you're wondering. So I'll have that down there, and I'll also have a link if you guys would like to buy me a coffee to help support the channel. Have a great day.